Thank you guys for coming on this date with Christina and I hope you guys have thoroughly enjoyed watching me ruin this family. What was that?
What the fuck?
You're lying. That did not just happen. Was that a real thing? She has a squeaky toy in her titties. Talking to a doll. I think that's the best thing to have ever happened. You can get squeaky toys inside your titties? Can you customize them like a Tesla horn? What made you get them done? 4 kids? You breastfeed? 2 of them? Because you know it goes great with cookies. Milk. Silicone. Last time I was in Iowa, a woman gave me cookies on stage.